you. Hello. Hi everyone, I'm Jama and I'm here at Cove Beach, Dubai with Twisted. So Twisted are going to put a spin on my favourite ever hangover food, which is a Posh Chicken Shish Kebab. Yeah! I've been to Dubai probably 2 or 3 times. The third one was a mashup, so it's a bit hazy, but yeah. I don't really go to like West Endy pop bottlesy clubs. Whereas here, I feel like everyone gets dressed to the nines. It's very like, ooh, glamorous, fashion. I'm a woman about balance, so I like the fancy. Scatty by day, fancy by night. I do wash though, I do. And I've been hungover in many places. Mostly my friends' sofas, corners of a bedroom, you know, toilet, bathroom floor. But waking up in Dubai hungover, I feel like when you wake up and it's sunny and you're hungover, it's not really the same thing. So you wake up and you're like, I'm new again. So being hungover in Cove Beach, you've got the pool here, you've got the beach which is warm, so you're having a nice little bath. And yes, sand. Sand makes everything better. You can even exfoliate if you want to. Scrapey situation. And then after all of that, you get back on one, revitalise, refresh, and back on the bevs. This is gonna make me sound really smug, but I don't really get proper hangovers. I think if I get the full amount of sleep that I need, I'm all right. It's more like sleep deprivation than hangover. So my first one of those, I was just a little prawn in the corner. Dried prawn though. Hangover cures for me, I think water saves everything. Even if it's just from a tap, splash it in your face. Also, just not loud stuff, just calm environment, you know? Candles, a beach, a pool, a beach club, if you can get to Dubai and have one. I'm quite unhealthy in general, like my diet is bread, meat, cheese, but on a hangover, it's just, it feels like heaven in a mouthful. It's like you need like the grease and the breads and the butters and the, you know, some of that starch. My favourite ever hangover meal is a Posh Chicken Shish Kebab because it reminds me of when I first ever started drinking and I lived in Bristol, and we'd go and do the walk home and we'd go to a place called Rita's, which is the best kebab in the world, and I'd just be like, right, the usual, chicken shish me up. I mean, it's everything you need. Lovely bit of bread, the chicken, I think that might be why it's called shish, because like that. And then I get the garlic sauce going, lettuce, depending on your vibe of salads. I get it all in there, apart from not a fan of the gherkins. And just this, I don't know, sound effects wise, it's and it just does the job. It ticks every box of what I crave. To be honest, all this talking about it has made me absolutely Ank Marvin. So if there is a she, here it is! Shay. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Hope you enjoy
Wow. Okay, so there's obviously really lovely bright colours going on here. You've got like the purpley pinks, the greens, the yellows, the beige, strong beige, bit of white as well going on. And, little key detail here, there's actually a green, white and kind of like a reddy chicken. Flavours with shade. All right, I think it's time to have a little munch. So, excuse my savagery. I don't think you can really eat this very politely. You can with a knife and fork, but I'm usually a grabber. Gonna be posh for the camera. Lovely. That is absolute heaven. It's kind of putting Rita's to shame. Rita's, if you're watching, I love you all, I'm sorry. But it's better, innit? This is obviously absolutely massive, so I can't eat it all by myself. You lot made it, didn't you? Come and join me. Friends that eat.
Happily.
Don't reverse back.
How much?
Okay.
Do you have a favourite? Which is your favourite chicken?
The green one, I think.
Is it which one?
The coriander and the mint.
It's lovely. I mean, you're definitely not getting this after a night out, unless you finish your night out at 4 p.m.
Oh my god. It happens.
Yeah. Do you know what this would be absolutely perfect with? A cocktail.